Hello, and welcome to Catchpoint's Internet Sonar. I am showing a live look of various third-party outages that could be impacting how your customers access your mission-critical applications. Internet Sonar leverages Catchpoint's unparalleled and industry-leading monitoring infrastructure to provide you with a glimpse into external issues that affect your business. Without any configuration, we can identify problems related to cloud, SaaS, DNS, CDN, and marketing technologies that you rely on. Gone are the days where you had to scour social media or wait for a vendor to post something to their status page acknowledging that there's a problem. As soon as an issue is detected in a region where your users are based, you will know about it and Catchpoint will notify you. Our services range across all the major marketing, CDN, IaaS, PaaS, unified communications, DNS providers. And not only are we looking at those services at the higher level, we're also drilling down into specific services across various regions and the underlying services that those vendors provide. So in addition to the global view of outages, let's also walk through an example of how this is leveraged operationally on a day-to-day basis. For most organizations, the troubleshooting and triage process starts with some type of an alert or incident notification. Here we're looking at an alert that Catchpoint identified for one of the tests that we're running against our application. Now, if I'm responding to this alert, one of the first things that I need to determine is this problem something that I can fix or my team can fix? Or is it something that's outside of our control, maybe driven by a third party service, and we need to engage that vendor to help troubleshoot and rectify the problem? Catchpoint's machine learning insights automatically looks at all of the tests that you're running through Catchpoint, and it will identify the third-party services and providers that are being accessed as part of those tests. So right away, when we look at our alert, we'll be able to tell you if there's a problem that is correlating to the services that your test is running against. In this case, we see that there is a related service outage tied to a cloud provider in particular regions that we're running our test from. So right away, without digging any deeper into that alert, trying to figure out what the root cause of the problem is, we know that there is an outside service outage that could be impacting our users. From here, I can click into our smartboard to get additional information about that test. Through our key events, we can see that there have been various test failures across different nodes. And once again, we are identifying that there's a third-party outage that's impacting users in a specific region. From here, I can click into our scatter plot to get a detailed list of every test execution that was run during the time frame that we're looking at. So now I can see every test from the nodes that we've configured to run through Catchpoint. By clicking on a particular failure, it will bring up additional details for that record. So now we can start to look at things like our waterfall chart, being able to understand what objects or images, style sheets, JavaScript files were taking to load and where the delays were occurring from. Here we're seeing DNS delays resolving a particular host. But once again, you'll see that we've correlated an outage that's been detected by Internet Sonar. So all throughout the Catchpoint portal, we're building in the intelligence where if you have a synthetic test that's impacted by a third-party issue, we're going to flag that for you and present it in our smart boards or through an alert. And the whole idea is to make that triage as fast as possible. So that way you can engage with your third-party vendors that are responsible for providing these services. And also, it allows you as an organization to build out the proper contingency plans and backup plans so that way you can maintain business continuity while that problem is being resolved. And this will help to ensure resilience so that way your customers and your business is not impacted. Thanks for watching and have a great day.